Yeah. They just evidently want you to balance things when...
Do I hoop it or do I TP it? I think probably TP.
This one's the hog panel, so it's not as wide.
Stay tuned to the end, guys. We're going to be showing you some before and afters of the garden area. You are not going to want to miss this.
That'll do. Alright, so Mama's over there working in the garden, figuring out what else she's going to plant in the spots that she has left. We got a package. And I'm excited about this one. So, let me see what it's going to take to get this thing together. Evidently want you to balance things when... Okay.
sunflowers, but today they're weeds. But I gotta be careful because I don't want to burn my lilies, but I don't want pokies either. So I'm hoping to burn the pokies off and then I can pluck it. Same way with my hosta. Fire! Fire!
All right, Derek. He ain't got it on the deck yet, but I'm putting it on these steps. I think I can do 2 wide. Do you want the whole tread or just like the center of the tread?
And it's even got a handlebar. Ah, how much easier that's gonna be for Big Booty Judy. That is nice. And this is adjustable even too.
Yeah, that's the lowest, so it could actually go.
That's perfect. Gosh, that's awesome. They're sturdy. And then they fold up, right?
Yeah.
Nice. I like it. Thank you, Popz.
All right, well, you seen I'm not the only firebug around here. She's been wanting to do this flower bed garden area for a while, and
from me.
yeah, you know, we just been busy. It's okay. So, got some stuff done in the garden. I don't know. It was a good last couple days. Most of it actually, and we didn't even film any. She spent 2 straight days between zucchini bread and processing all the tomatoes that we had from last year. Because the meat birds are going away and we need the freezer space. So,
yep.
But I wanted to get this together too. Popz got this for us when we were at the last meetup because he seen the struggle with the tall step, and I was going to get some, but he beat me to it. So appreciate you, brother.
Yeah.
Other than that, I think that might be it. We got to load some stuff up and go do a town run. Need some more chick feed. Might get some more mulch for over here. And, well, I got propane tanks that need filled. So.
Yes. I don't want to run out of hot water.
Yeah, definitely don't need that. Whoa, what's happening here, lady?
Moving around. Fence. rather than just storing it, I thought, well, for the time being, it can kind of just be a guide to the YouTube studio. I just needed to do something. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to White Rock Homestead. We're just working on outside projects today. I've been in the kitchen canning and baking for several days, and I need to get outside. So we're just gonna work on stuff. I've got an idea that I need to make some room for, and hopefully my handsome man will just go along with it. Right, baby?
I know where my food comes from. Of course I'm gonna go along with it.
It lets us move the fence away from the area that I want it to be. So it looks like I've got a couple more panels. And yeah. Dare we put some here?
I mean,
And for those that don't remember, oh, where's the camera? Oh, camera's over there. Good. I picked up all of this wrought iron fencing at an auction a couple years back. I paid, was it $35, I think, for all of this. And it's been everywhere. We put it a couple different spots. So I'm gonna have to fill in this because I want curves, no straights. Looks good. Probably won't be its end spot because we've got other ideas for this area, but at least now it's not just getting stored somewhere. But for now, since we don't have a place to store it, it just gets moved to a different spot. So, okay. I don't think we're gonna need this, but just in case. Yeah. So we've got to move around some stuff over here. But I'm thirsty. You want a water, baby?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna go make water. Okay, time to move some stuff around. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Ooh, I am bound to determine to fall today.
Let's not.
So we're not sure how many blocks we can put on a pallet and still have Blue be able to pick it up, because these are strap-on or bolt-on forks. So the center of gravity is different when you use the bolt-ons versus an actual quick connect. So we're gonna test it out and see what 2 rows does. Well, we just had some lunch,
We
late
did.
lunch, but
It's
we were
delicious.
both like, oh wow, we're kind of hungry.
Yeah.
So, doing a little
Oh,
update
squirrel,
here.
but there's flower buds on them tomatoes.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, sorry.
We've decided after some discussion that we're going to take even more of the foundation that I don't think we're going to need for the secret project that we're working on.
Yeah. Lunch.
Wasn't lunch. All right, so we've got to keep loading back.
Yeah, load it up.
Yep.
I'm the tractor
Get to
driver.
work. Get to work.
You believe this? I gotta drive the tractor and load the blocks. Yeah, look, it's fixing to rain. Look at them zucchinis cupped up. They know. I'm
Yeah.
looking at the sky. We're trying to beat the rain again.
I'll hand them to you if you want to play your touch. Oh, geez. I don't know how much longer we're gonna be able to work. That sky is looking pretty funky. Look at that. It's like it's gonna like just let go any minute. But we're gonna keep working until we can't. Well, at least up until our live, because we have to do our live tonight. You got a few on that round, so we're just gonna have to toss them in the bucket. It was the footer. That's quite the dent.
Good, I'm getting it mud.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to plant some of that Tractor Supply all animal feed that's supposed to grow anywhere. Just to give it some backing. And even though we do need dirt for the Vigo garden and for some of the other gardens, I only planted in those last year because I topped them with good soil. The majority of what we're in those beds is clay. As you can see from the smears, as he's trying to spread this out, it's just clumps of clay. So it really would not have been a good product to put in my Vigo garden. So that's why we opted to smooth it out and kind of soften that transition in between the tiers. I think it looks good, baby. I mean, it's muddy.
Wow.
Okay, guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. You're gonna have to come back and see the surprise that we're gonna be doing with this. I think it's gonna be cool. I don't know. What do you think, baby?
I think it's gonna be awesome sauce.
Yeah. So before I get drenched.
Gooder.
What?
It's gonna make the ridge gooder.
It will make the gooder ridge. The ridge gooder.
Wow, guys. Using this drone really gave us an idea of time to do some cleanup, get some organization. This was the first time we really got an aerial view of the layout and how we wanted to design it. Here you see step one of just color coordinating the lick tubs so that they looked better and organizing. All a process, guys, all a process. So watch as this drone footage goes through, enjoy the changes, and see if you notice everything that we've done. Make sure to drop some comments. We want to know if you've caught every little thing that we've done. And what a difference it makes once it's organized. Obviously the greenery coming in, we've got quite a bit of work to get the foundation fully down, but this really gives us the vision of what we want this entire garden area to look like. Every little bit counts, guys. Thanks for watching this, and remember, like, subscribe, and share it out. One day closer to our dream.